In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a receipt from Airbnb for a trip you've done in the past. For this, you need to log into Airbnb website, and once you are there, click on your profile picture on the top right corner, left click, and then go into trips. And you will find your past trips or the future trips in this page. So for example, I have done this trip in the past. I will click on this stay. So it takes me to my reservation, which I made in Edinburgh. Click on show details to expand it. Once the reservation details page is open, if you scroll towards the bottom of the screen, you will find Get Receipt option under Total Cost. Click on the Get Receipt. This should open a new window where you will see the receipt of your trip with Airbnb. You can save it in whatever format you wish. It depends on the computer you're using. And that's it. This is how you get a receipt from Airbnb for a trip. Thank you very much.